Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, I'm still busy on the BMW S1000R. And because I had a smart display, I gave it away to the owner. He loved it. It was a sponsored smart display. I told him, I'm gonna mount your smart display, but I don't do the cameras. I know that from my son, his S1000R. It cost a lot of time, especially in the front. I have friends, and the guy from the S1000R said, cameras, so what? I don't use them. Okay, great. So now we're gonna get the stuff out of the box and see how we're gonna mount it on the S1000R. Come on over and we start. It's not big here, eh? Small shed. So, welcome to Motorcycle Smart Riding System. Plastic protector. This was a really nice mounting bracket. See? Sleek aluminium. Wow, top. Nice wipe thing. And of course, guys, we have tools. We love tools. Let's see. This is GPS, so it needs to be like this. So I want to make this a nicer loom like. Let's see what's this, I think like this. Yep. This, something like this. Okay, then I think it's nice. Opa. All plastic. Then, guys, now I think this looks nice. This looks also nice. We go to the bike. The thinnest one. Over there. Then, guys, now what is a good position? That side or that side? Well, okay. See, it's set like this. That's the one. Now it's from this side. Ooh. Okay. Wait a minute. First, tiny bit in place so we don't drop sound. Now first like this. Let me take the machine. Hop, something like that. Then terrible slippery fingers today. Okay, then okay, I think this is much better. This is good. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys, this is the one. So, yes. Perfect. So now, yep. It's nicely out of that way, or almost. Maybe have another plan again. One. This is perfect. Yep. We got a lot of space to, yeah, put it in a better position. To tight it and then up. So this is watch. See, now we have all the functions from that to that side. Yeah, this is the position I like. Up. Yes, this one also. And now a bit to the driver, like this. Maybe even, let's see, that angle. Like this. So, yes. Now guys, only thing I have to do now is get my filthy fingers off. Wow. Now let's see. I think it's great. You can always put it if he wants something higher. Now guys, I lowered it a tiny bit, one notch over there, and I think this is actually perfect. Watch, this is a bit where the driver sits. Over here, see? I think that's, it's on the back side. Wait a minute. If you look, but I think now it looks great.